Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on Great British Pound today, because in the euro currency you can see almost the whole week nothing's going on. So yesterday situation on the cable has changed drastically because daily trend has broken down and now it stands bearish, and by the price action that we see right now on the intraday chart, it seems market has to taken out of these lows, which means that chance on downward breakout and downward continuation now stands very probable. Currently market is not at oversold, so it has pretty much room to fall more. It's approximately 128.15. It's oversold area, and here we again probably have to refresh our support areas. So once market here stands around 29.19, but this level already has been tested twice. So it was first here, then here again, and now it's come for the third time. So it means that this level it's significantly weaker than it was in the first moment. Next support will be around 27. This will be, we could call this a wide confluence, but well, this is too much difference for the levels between. So probably this is not a confluence, but anyway, we're mostly interested in the 127 level, just because take a look at our ABC top OP target since 2673 in agreement with the 27 support. And this support is very important because take a look, that is the reaction point of the real thrusting action that has started here. So that's important fib level. And also here's the secondary objective point, so we will measure the extension. Currently it's very difficult to call as a butterfly because, well guys, by this action, so here's if market would reach the 127 here, then shows the pullback. That could be treated as a pure butterfly, but here as you can see market stopped, then shows the pullback, now it's continued down, and 127 target still stands intact. So this is probably not quite the butterfly in a pure understanding, but extension exists. It's also 161 extension stands 2670, so approximately in the same area. So that will be a really nice support area. As trend has turned bearish now, here we do not consider any long entries anymore. And take a look what is going on the fallout time frame chart. Here, guys, real clarity has happened when the market just has broken through the 618 support and agreement area, as it now exists. This is just a significant drop. No chances to take the position here was, although that was our secondary level to watch for possible taking the long position. But here, there's actually no background exists for taking the position as market has dropped through it. It means that suggesting of the appearing of the head and shoulders has failed, or better to say that we have here failing head and shoulders in the current moment. And when you're meeting them and see head and shoulders that is failing, it means that these lows will be taken out. That in turn means that here market will drop lower and will break this consolidation probably to the downside. On the hourly chart you could see how this has happened. That was our first entry, very great reaction, but then market returned back up and actually we were stopped out on this break-even stop order. And here it's actually no support, no good opportunities for taking position has been formed, so market just collapsed down. So as market stands not at oversold, and actually it stands in an active stage of the, let's call it head and shoulders failing. So it shows the acceleration breaking by this breakout actually and raising of the strong support areas. So recall that this was confidence support, this was agreement support, and all of them has been broken, as it actually here does no exist. So that the active stage that is breaks the former bullish setup. And in such circumstances, usually market doesn't show the deep retracement, deep pullback. That's why I think that if you consider for taking short position, for example, for downward continuation, you could keep an eye on the two levels. I think that's 29.38 and 29.61 is confidence resistance. Hardly retracement will be greater than to these levels. Maybe some pullback here could happen, but after that, it's a very big chance that market will proceed lower. So if you do not consider taking short-term short positions on the cable, so in this case, you should focus on our daily setup and consider this area. Maybe here we will get something for taking the long position. By the way, today's the Roger placed the signal for a Great British Pound that also points that it suggests that probably this will be opportunity to take the long position at this level as well. So let's see how situation will develop, and let's keep watching on the cable because it shows currently very good activity. It's providing a lot of trading steps.